Hello, friends, and welcome to your math review game. As you are starting this year in second grade, we are going to be putting together a game board of review activities for you to do throughout the year. So you can save this link and you can come back to it anytime you want. It will also show up at the end of each quarter as an assignment in your online school. So what you will do is you will take a look at the game board and your stops. As you see for right now, we only have a few on there, but don't worry, more will get filled in. You can choose one. So say you want to do skip counting, click on skip counting. When you come over here, there are different activities that you can click on. There are practice activities, there are games, there are printable activities, there are videos, all different kinds of things that you can do. You can choose the activities that you want to do on the game board. And then after you've done your skip counting activities, if you want to go back, you just click on the B and you are able to come back here and then click on another space. So if you have any questions, reach out to your homeroom teacher and they will be happy to help you. And good luck.